haven't seen you here before. Who are you?
I'm William. I'm a cockerel.
Oh.
Where you go?
Well, excuse
Follow
me.
me, follow me.
No. Excuse me. I'd like to introduce myself, if that's okay.
Well, who are you then?
Oh, glad you asked. My name is Viviane, and I live
follow
here.
Follow me, Viviane. Come on.
Excuse me. I do know where I'm... No, excuse me. I do know where I'm going.
Follow me.
I do live here, you know.
Nice shops down here. Try those. I found them earlier. Come on. So where do you live then?
I live in Hensington Palace, you know.
Look over there at that. God, have you seen a sheep that big before?
Excuse me. I'm not a sheep.
Yeah, it looks like a sheep to me. Sheep with a long neck. Bit of a giraffe.
No.
Follow me, come on.
No, excuse me. I would like to say something, if that's all right, if you don't...
Look, wait. Can I say this? This big one over here.
No, they are alpacas. You know nothing.
What do you mean I know nothing? I'm a cockerel. I know everything.
What's the difference between a cockerel anyway and a hen? I'm a beautiful hen.
I'm the king of chickens, aren't I? I'm a cockerel. Look,
you're not
come over here.
Excuse me, I don't think you are a chicken. You smell different.
I'm a bantam.
Oh, hello.
What's that? It's a shadow. Taste that shadow. Tasty grass down here. Ooh.
Oh.
God, I love this. Yeah, come back over here, Viviane. See what I found over here. A few more grubs for you.
I like worms myself.
Yeah, you would.